So today we're gonna go on a sound hunt. So we're gonna think about the sounds in the words we hear, and we're gonna find certain sounds in the book. We're going to look for the sounds sh, like in the word ship, and the sound th, like in the word think, and also the sound like in the word actor. Okay? So I'm going to give you a few minutes to look through your books and find words with those sounds. Sh, and And once everyone's found a few different words, then we'll share them together.
Wait a minute.
And if you want to just start with one, if 3 sounds is too many, you could just start with the sh sound. Do you have one? Which one is it?
I found Thursday.
Good. So the th in Thursday.
And before.
Which of those sounds is in before?
Oh. And
before.
And shake.
Okay. Did you find any yet, Brian? No? What about on this page? I can see one on this page. What word is that? Yep. Can you chunk it? Do you know what that word, little word says? Mm-hmm. Let's sh out. Did you find any, Harry?
I found only one.
Okay.
And I found another one.
Okay, so I think that everyone's found one for the sh sound, so let's share them now.
I found 2.
Let's share them now.
One for the TH.
Okay. So, Kate, what's one of the words you found? You found an SH, a sh, through. Okay, so that's for the sound. Through. Did you find any for the SH, the sh sound?
No.
Okay. What did you find, Harith?
Dash.
Dash. And Harith, in the word dash, is the sh sound at the beginning, the middle, or the end of that word?
The end.
That's right, dash. Brian, what did you find?
I'm still trying to find something in this page.
Okay. And Gabriel, what about you?
I found Thursday
Mm-hmm.
and before.
So where's the th sound in Thursday?
I found another one.
Wait one sec. At the beginning. Thursday. And remember I told you also that we could look for the sound? Well, in the word Thursday, there is an sound. Thursday. So I'm going to write that one here too.
Wait, I found an ER.
Gabriel, did you find another one?
I found an R. I found the word shake.
Shake.
I found the word on ER.
Okay, wait your turn, please. Shake. Did you find it?
this.
From. But does it have a sound? From. What was that one that we saw before, the one that said sh out? Do you remember what page that was on? And Harith, did you have another one?
Yeah, I had crash.
Crash. So where should that one go? Which sound does that have in it?
SH.
The sh sound.
Right here.
Shout. Shout. So Brian found shout. And which sound does shout have in it that we're studying? The sh sound. Can you say sh out?
Shout.
Yeah, shout.
Very.
And Kate, did you have another one?
Only one person did
An ER one? What did you have? Very. So since this is the sound, the sound, does very is spelled like that, right? V-E-R-Y. But do you say very? So not that one. All right, so let's look at our list and we can say them together. Can you close your books and put them either in front of you or behind you?
I found them.
You did find another one? Which one?
I found
Fish.
I found another one.
Okay, last one, Harith.
Flash.
Flash. So let's say them all together. So let's say the ones. Through Thursday. And now this is the sh column. Dash, shake, crash, shout, fish, flash. And then the last one was Thursday. And the example that I used before was actor. I'll write that one too. That one was kind of tricky. Actor.